Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Trump Media registers 5 million shares for sale, causing a stock dip. Nvidia poised for over 9% upside on reporting day. ARK Invest crowns Tesla as the robotaxi leader despite Waymo and Baidu's head start. Oppenheimer downgrades energy sector to underweight, listing 4 stocks to sell. Exxon projects oil demand will remain steady until 2050, missing climate targets. Marijuana rescheduling faces delays due to DEA hearing. Broadcom, Nvidia, and AMD among chip sector decliners ahead of Nvidia. Results: Boeing stock slips as NASA opts for SpaceX to retrieve astronauts. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more. Trump Media and Technology Group has registered up to 5.1 million shares for sale by shareholders, causing a 3.6% drop in stock value. The company won't receive proceeds from these sales. Former President Donald Trump may divest his holdings after September 20th, holding shares worth over $2.5 billion currently.
Goldman Sachs' Scott Rubner notes the options market suggests over 9% upside for Nvidia as it reports earnings on Wednesday. Nvidia, valued at $3.1 trillion, could see a $298 billion market swing. The stock is up 10.69% from last month and 156.13% year-to-date, but down slightly recently.
ARK Invest analysts are excited about Baidu and Waymo scaling their robotaxi operations. Waymo's new vehicle, developed by Geely Zeekr, reduces onboard cameras and LiDAR sensors, lowering costs. Waymo now offers over 100,000 autonomous rides weekly. Baidu averages 75,000 rides per week but expects national rollout to take years. ARK Invest believes Tesla's extensive data advantage will lead to dominance in the robotaxi market.
Oppenheimer analysts downgraded the energy sector from market weight to underweight. Only 48% of stocks are above their 200-day average, indicating buying fatigue. The S&P Energy Exchange Traded Fund is down 0.86% from last month but up 8.75% year-to-date. Sell-rated stocks include APA Corporation, Chevron Corporation, Halliburton Company, and Occidental Petroleum Corporation.
ExxonMobil predicts global crude oil demand will stay above 100 million barrels per day through 2050, with insufficient progress on emissions reductions. Carbon emissions are expected to drop by 25% by then, but not enough to prevent significant climate change. Natural gas demand will rise by 21% and oil demand by 2%. Electric vehicles won't significantly impact long-term oil demand due to population growth. Without new investments, production could decrease by approximately 15% annually, potentially causing a 5-fold surge in oil prices and a drastic supply drop.
The Drug Enforcement Administration will hold a hearing on December 2nd to discuss the Justice Department's proposal to reschedule marijuana as a Class 3 substance. The notice, signed by DEA Administrator N. Milgram, received numerous requests for a hearing. Public comments showed strong support for rescheduling or legalization.
Semiconductor stocks mostly fell Monday as the sector awaited Nvidia's quarterly results, deemed crucial by Wall Street. Nvidia dropped 2.4%, with Morgan Stanley noting strong demand for its H200 graphics processing units. Goldman Sachs predicted a 9% share movement based on options trades. AMD, Broadcom, Micron, Texas Instruments, Qualcomm, Analog Devices, and Intel also saw declines.
Boeing stock fell 1.5% after NASA announced that SpaceX will retrieve 2 stranded astronauts instead of Boeing's Starliner capsule. The Standard & Poor's 500 index dropped less than 1%. Analysts suggest this could harm Boeing's reputation and lead to further losses for the Starliner program.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates on the market trends. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.